Hello and welcome, real estate investors. I'm Lois Threlkel. Today we're diving into a great real estate strategy, lease options. And in this episode, we're going to explore how you can tap into legal ex-best in real estate. And I'll kind of explain there's a couple of things that we need to do. So why are lease options such a smart strategy for investors? Well, starters, low initial cost. You basically rent, try it out before you buy. So they require a relatively low initial investment because you're leasing, and that makes them so accessible to investors with limited capital. The second issue is you actually take control over the property. And the way that works is you get control without taking on all the obligations of buying it. So this leaves you some time for the decision making. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to move forward? Do I want to just continue leasing? What do I want to do? So the strategy of lease option, through that you enjoy potential profit. You get to look in, you get to, lock in now a purchase price that potentially could go up. So you're securing the profit because the property appreciates. So when you have our legal services, you get to access the legal support with these lease option deals because there are a couple of documents involved. So you have a lease and then you also have a contract to buy, and the paperwork is really important to protect your assets and your future. So that's the kind of legal support that can make the benefits of lease optioning even bigger. And access to these legal professionals to review your lease option agreements helps you make sure that they're airtight and your interests are protected. In case of, let's say, tenant disputes or legal issues, legal assistance can provide guidance on handling these situations within the bounds of the law. And laws change, so we need to find out what's the current law say. And real estate regulations can be very complicated, so legal support can help you make your way through these complicated, convoluted legal regulations and help you stay compliant. If you're interested in accessing legal advice for your lease options, and game changer in real estate investing, especially when you have the right legal allies by your side. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to contact us. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the world of lease options and how legal support can actually elevate your strategy.